everyone, today we have a review ultimate comparison of three action cameras. It's two from Sony and one from GoPro. So those cameras are a bit outdated. The AS200 is around 2015 was released, so 7 years ago. AS300 was released around 6 years ago with 2016. And GoPro 9 or GoPro 9 Black was released at 2020, so the freshest one. Currently you can buy the used second-hand cameras AS200 for $150, around 150, even less, $120, let's say. For AS300 is around $200 and GoPro 9 around $250. So the most expensive camera right here is GoPro AS300 and AS200, but AS200 is the cheapest camera right now available from the branded one. So let's compare how they look like. So basically let's start from outlook. So basically the screen AS200, AS300 is similar, but the management is much more convenient on the newest model. The size of camera is also similar, but the lens is much bigger, as you see here. So the lens around 30% bigger. Also microphone location still same. You have some additional indicator here, on top indicators, on the back indicators. On the down you have only micro SD. Here you've got all the sets of input. So you have micro SD, you have HDMI, you have microphone here, and special Sony jack. Here you have everything here on the back. And SD card is not that convenient for AS200, so it's here actually. And the bottom is really weak place that usually damage after long usage. And we have GoPro. Basically it has two bottoms, it's waterproof, two screens, sensor screen. Here you have directly the handlers that you can set. Here you need a special tool to make it. Also you can buy, here you have this similar hole. Here in a GoPro you can buy it for several bucks on AliExpress, a special handler. And the charger actually located here. Oh, SD card, Type-C. Here is outdated micro USB, by the way. Type-C port, and actually the making some strange noise, and actually batteries all here under one set. No microphone jack, that's a disadvantage of GoPro. The size actually is very similar. Let's say it's just a bit different format, but similar size. The weight, AS200 is the lightest, AS300 is heavier, and the heaviest is GoPro. Alright, let's move on. Let's turn on our cameras right now. So the fastest AS300 is the fastest turn on. On the GoPro you can see directly the screen. Actually I forgot to charge it, need to charge it ASAP. Yeah, so that's what we've got here. You have this management system that is not really convenient. Of the bottoms, I will not focus on it that much, but yeah, it's really outdated and not comparable to GoPro management system that is very convenient, and you can manage it using the sensor screen. Alright, if you're using it for extreme scenarios, maybe bottoms are better than sensors. But let's see, also if you have second screen, it's much more convenient to use, let's say, comparing to GoPro. And the least usability is on the AS200, so you can click all the time here. You don't have back button or menu button like here, so you need all the time to search for back. That's really annoying and not convenient, but as plug and play camera, just play and just record, that's okay, it can be used like this. Alright, so basically that's the outlook look like. Basically the features, although it has time-lapse, it has super stabilization, etc. on GoPro. Those two cameras, time-lapse is really outdated, so you need to combine photos afterwards, so you cannot make video directly on your camera. So basically those camera only created if you want to record something without slow-mo, without time-lapse, without any other features, just if you need a vlogging camera or just record anything very fast. That's quite good, but the features itself, GoPro is much better. Alright, so let's make a comparison. I have a battery here, let's put some objects here in front of, and let's make a photo or video. So let's start from GoPro. So the test of camera, GoPro 9, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Test of microphone, stabilization. Look at this, wow, looks good. Shake it really hard, but the image seems really stable. Alright, that's it for GoPro. Next one is Sony AS200. Okay, let's start from AS300. Okay, photo. I will not focus on photos because I want to compare it. Alright, let's go. Test of microphone AS300, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Stabilization check. Microphone check. Stabilization check. And AS200. Loop. Okay, not this one. Need to change the mode. Loop. Movie. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Test of microphone, Sony AS200, stabilization. Focus, no focus, of course. Alright, so that's it from video point of view. So I've just checked the quality of the video on all of those cameras, and I really like Sony AS300. The microphone is good, the quality is good, stabilization is okay, it has optical stabilization, while GoPro doesn't have. This one also doesn't have optical stabilization, only AS300. Those two has good digital image stabilization, which also works not bad. So basically AS300 is a favorite, mine favorite. It has good quality sound, it has good stabilization, and here I have a bit dark space and still it works really good. So of course the second one is GoPro. GoPro is also not bad. You have too many modes. Of course I can set 4K, here I cannot set 4K, so that's why it's also different. The lens format I set wide, it has super wide, which is bigger resolution, let's say. Yeah, as you can see, much bigger angle, so it's also advantages, and it works not that bad. And Sony AS200, of course, it's outdated version, but still works good even in 2022. For this price, $100, it's still quite good camera. So basically that's it. Thank you very much for watching. My personal favorite AS200, AS300 and GoPro, of course, but I would think which one I want to keep. I think the GoPro my favorite and I will keep it, but yeah, let's see, let's make more tests, and thank you very much for watching. See you next time.